Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code with your Samsung phone in two different ways. So let's get started. Generally, to scan a QR code on your Samsung phone, you can just open up the camera app and then you're going to place your camera on top and it should recognize the QR code and you can tap on it to open that QR code. Now, let's say that didn't work for you. The camera is not working for you. What you want to do is pull down the top control and then pull down a little bit further to get to more controls here. Now in the more controls here, you should see a scan QR code right there. Now if you don't see it, you can also click on that pencil icon and then click on edit and then find it here as well. Sometimes you may need to add it if it's missing. So if you have that, all you're going to do is pull down the control menu again and then go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up in QR code mode, and then you can just take your camera, automatically picks it up and ask you if you want to copy that link or open it up, and you can go ahead and open it up just like that. So that's how you can scan QR code on your Samsung phone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Samsung phone. We'll see you guys next time.